tequila, the echo of your feelings, a memory that keeps you up at night. I'm the first face that you think of when you picture falling in love, and anytime you ever say goodbye. Regrets, a funny thing, try to hide what's underneath. You can run, you can hide, you can turn out the lights, try to bury me deep, but on the air you breathe when you said forever that you didn't mean this. I didn't want to, but you made me harm you. When you're awake or when you're dreaming, I know it's me you're seeing. The bed you make will always smell like me. You taste my favorite liquor anytime you go to kiss her. You could look but you won't find another me. You can run, you can hide, you can turn out the lights, try to bury me deep, but I'm the air you breathe when you said forever that you didn't mean this. I didn't want to, but you made me haunt you. In the hallways and the street lights and the cold December chill, in the corners late in the night, in the whiskey and the pills. Happy family could have been us, but you burned the whole affair. Now you'll never not remember the moment that we shared. Haunts you. I know.
Devo dire, sono molto contento, mi sono trovato molto bene con il team, con comunque la pista una volta interpretata. Inizialmente ho fatto fatica, ma successivamente ci siamo allineati e eravamo tutti molto vicini, e per questo sono molto contento. Voglio fare un grande ringraziamento al team Life Live, a Giovanni Trincossi che comunque ci segue in ogni gara, alla mia famiglia che comunque mi permette di essere qui, a tutti gli sponsor e ovviamente anche a Daniele Martini della HP Sport che ci aiuta e ci dà una mano come scuderia.